Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the PUBG gameplay comparison between the Realme X2 Pro versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So this is another most requested video between the both of the smartphones in terms of the PUBG gameplay and what are the different gameplay settings both phones they are having. So the main question why this got very much highlight because the Realme X7 Pro has got Dimensity 1000 plus processor, so whereas the Realme X2 Pro has got a Snapdragon 855 processor. So many users they are really concerned about this Dimensity 1000 plus processor which is present in this X7 Pro. So whether the processor is very good enough to play the games or not. So that's why I did so many videos already on the Realme X7 Pro. In case if you are having same kind of doubt like so many other users, so make sure to check the links in description, friends. For the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro, you can find so many videos on this Realme X7 Pro Dimensity 1000 plus processor. I did upload more than 100 videos, and Dimensity 800U as well. There is a separate video list playlist for that one as well. So let's get started, friends. First thing is let me quickly show you the display properties. Like I am using the 120 Hz at the moment and 90 Hz refresh rate here. So let me also show you the PUBG game, and I'll go through the what are the different graphic settings you can actually play the PUBG in both the smartphones at this time. So let's see, friends, which phone has a better advantage, and I'll try to talk about other things like whether the PUBG is playable at 90 FPS or not in these phones. So let's see, friends, this is a PUBG game right now. I did open, and let me go to the settings here. So the top one, this is a Realme X2 Pro. As you know, the notch is on the middle, so that's why this is a Realme X2 Pro. So this is a way to differentiate, and you can clearly see, friends, the Realme X2 Pro has got the recent update with a 90 FPS support in this phone. So whereas the Realme X7 Pro, still I am waiting for the update from the Realme and from the PUBG as well. So where I don't have that kind of 90 FPS gaming at the moment. So only the smooth and extreme is possible, and even the HDR and Extreme is also not possible in this phone at the moment. So maybe the Dimensity processor they need a little bit kind of updates. So usually in the Realme X2 Pro, so these are X2 Pro, so where I can easily play with the HDR and Extreme settings without any problem. So by default, without using any GFX tool, you will be able to play the HDR and Extreme settings in this Realme X2 Pro device. That's a really good advantage. So next thing is that as I said, the phone supports the 190 FPS, but you won't be able to see the 90 FPS gaming. So let me show you what's happening right now. So you can see on the game center in the top, I did select the 90 FPS, but you won't be able to see it. So there's another thing you need to do. You need to decrease the brightness to the below 5%. So when you decrease the brightness to below 5%, then only you will be able to see the real-time FPS count increasing to the 90 FPS. So that is what happened in this phone. So I'm not sure when they will be fixing this kind of issue in this phone, but you need to decrease the brightness below 5% to get this kind of 90 FPS. So if you use this kind of high brightness level at the moment, you won't get 90 FPS. So these are the biggest drawback right now. So for the past, I think 1.5 month, 2 months back, I did receive the 90 FPS gaming gear, but still the Realme did not fix the issue. So let's get back to this Dimensity 1000 plus what's happening here. So one thing is clearly known, friends, the PUBG game and other few games which are constantly updating only for the Snapdragon processor mobile phones, but the Dimensity MediaTek processors, they are not at all much concentrating at the moment. So it takes couple of months to get the update in the PUBG game, but right now at the moment, without using any GFX tool, you won't be able to play the game at 90 FPS, unfortunately. So this is another drawback, not only with this PUBG game, even there are a few other games where it's like that. The Snapdragon phones will be getting the update, and the Dimensity 1000 plus processor doesn't get the update. So you need to think twice, friends, before buying the Dimensity 1000 plus. So this is what the main concern is for me. So most of the time the phone works pretty good, everything is normal, so no issues regarding the performance, but only issues regarding the updates of the games only. So where you might not be getting the very faster updates in terms of supports of 120 fps or 90 fps gaming. So maybe in the future they might be improving the speed for this Realme X7 Pro Dimensity 1000 plus, but at the moment the Snapdragon processors are really fast at giving the updates. So that's a fact at the moment. And in case if you're wanted to know more details about this other smartphone, so make sure to check the links in description, friends. And definitely it feels really good playing in the Realme X7 Pro and even the Realme X2 Pro, which has Snapdragon uh, 855 plus processor, which is also really good advantage playing this phone. So no issues in terms of the performance. As I said, no problems with the performance, but only one thing is that the software updates are very good at the X2 Pro device even after 1.5 year of using this phone. So it still performs pretty good. So in the Realme X7 Pro, so your Dimensity 1000 plus processor is the one which is bothering right now for me. So maybe this is what I want to just convey to the most of the users who are thinking of buying this phone at the moment. So you need to wait couple of months to get the update in the games. So maybe in the future they might be improving their communication with the games. So and we might be able to get the faster updates. But this is a quick fact about the PUBG game in both the smartphones. So no 90 FPS if you're using high brightness level. So there is not even possible of the 90 FPS at the moment. So it's a kind of very comedy going on with the Realme phones right now. Even though the hardware and everything processor is quite very powerful, but still the only things of which are holding is the updates from the either of the company like Realme company and from the PUBG as well. So thank you friends for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. And if you want to know what live wallpapers I'm using right now, so make sure to check the links in description for the live wallpaper playlist. You can find so many amazing wallpapers. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.